Another beautiful day in Hawaii. Hello, morning.
Beach, good morning. You want me to take him?
Sure.
Sorry, it's still easy.
We are going to Waimānalo.
Stokes.
Look at this crybaby.
Mommy's gonna get you.
My crybaby.
Hi, my partner.
Hi, my, look at those tears. Look at those tears. Oh my goodness. Daddy has the baby and the chair and the wagon. Daddy or not? Oh my goodness. The family is all here. Rain, say cheese. Daddy, say cheese. So pretty. Look at this baby. So beautiful. And they just put this here. This wasn't here last time we were here. It's been like over a year maybe. So right now we're just trying to find a place to post up. Oh. So we found our spot. Yeah.
I'll leave this over here.
Okay. Our setup. We have the baby. We have our stuff in the tent. It's a beautiful day.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding
going in the water, right?
Hi, my baby.
Look at that.
It's his first time at the beach. Well, actually, technically in the water, yeah. Look at his outfit. So
I
on point.
know.
He likes to watch you jump inside. Brother Rain's jumping in the tsunamis. Here comes. Oh, that's a big one.
Ooh. His face. Hi, baby. He likes it. He's smiling.
Aww.
Hi.
That feel good, Parker? Do you like the water? When the squishy sand between the toes?
That's a new sensation, cold water.
I know.
You're right. It is his first time going in the
Careful, Rin.
Yeah, you splash them on the. He likes it. He likes to watch you jump.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Baby toe. Oh.
What is that?
Oh, how is that? How is that? Oh, he just spit up.
Oh. Good thing it went there.
Oh,
Easy click.
checking on Parker. How's he doing?
He's fine. He doesn't like beat up you.
You like the water? Do you like it? You happier?
He smiled, yeah.
Yeah. There it is. You just like the water. So
More water.
happy.
Ooh. That's not good. You like that? Ooh.
That's probably why he was crying. He's
Maybe.
like, I want to go in the water.
He's like, I want to go back.
Oh. Hi, honey.
Is he laughing? Hi, my baby.
There's my boy. So cute. Hi, Parker. Hi, baby. Where's Rain?
Bearing his hand.
Hi, Rain. This view is so beautiful. Like, so lucky. Look at that. I don't know. To anyone who lives in Hawaii, we are so extremely lucky to have clean water, the wind, beautiful sand, blue skies. Ugh. This is our view. We are so lucky. We are so lucky. I'm so grateful to be here with Dylan and Rain and Parker on this beautiful day. Yes. Someone's happy. Hi. Me.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go! It's a sand obby. You have to escape. Are you gonna break out? Come on, I'm waiting. I'm gonna take a video of you. Let's go. Rain, come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Ugh. Oh, you escaped! Jump in the water to wash off. little small kind jellyfish. It's okay. It'll go away. That's not too bad. Just a little small one, gotcha. We hiked to the top of that one right there, right in the corner.